Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mentaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows activations error code 0xC004F012 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, and it shows we can't activate Windows on this device because you don't have a valid digital license or product key. If you think you do have a valid license or key, select troubleshoots below error code 0xC004F012. If you're having problems with activations, select troubleshoot to try and fix the problem. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on Start menu. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa Search for Apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung File Explorer. And then click mo lang dito yung Open. And then next step dito lang sa left side menu. And then i-select mo lang dito yung This PC. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa Devices and Drive, so kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows. Okay? So dito sa Windows, kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa Windows, scroll down at i-locate natin yung System 32. Okay? So ito siya. So dito sa System 32, so kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa System 32, and then i-locate natin yung SP folder. So, kailangan ulit natin mag-scroll down and then hanapin natin yung SP folder, and then ito na siya. Okay, so SPP folder, so dito kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then dito sa SPP folder, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung store. So, dito sa store, mag-double click ulit. And then dito sa store, so makikita mo na dito yung 2.0 value. So, dito, kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And then, next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung tokens dot. Okay, ito siya. So, makita mo dito. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-rename. So, para ma-rename natin yan, so, select mo lang siya. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung show more options. And then, select dito yung rename. So, ang papalitan natin dito ay itong last na words na that. So, remove natin yan. And then, replace natin ng all. Okay? So, lagay mo lang siya. Replace mo ng all, OLD. And then, next ay press mo lang yung enter. Okay? So, click mo lang itong enter. Then, rename. So, if you change sa file name extensions, the file might become unusable. So, are you sure what to change it? And then, i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then, after natin ma-rename dito, so, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin. So, close lang natin yan. And then, dito lang ulit sa Start menu, so, click mo lang siya. And then, dito sa Search for Apps, so, click mo lang. And then, type mo lang dito yung CMD. And then, ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then, click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na net space start space SPPSBC. Ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na net space start space SPPSBC, and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay. So makikita mo na dito na the software protection servicing is starting, and that the software protection service was started successfully. So, ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type mo lang yung CS script. Ayan. .exe space slmgr .bbs. Okay. And then space slash RILC. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na cscript.exe space slmgr.bbs space slash RILC, and then press mo lang yung enter. Alright. So, makikita mo na dito yung Microsoft Corporations mga kaibigan, and then yung script host version nito. So after dito ay close lang natin to, and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So click mo lang tong restart. Right? So in hope the issue has been resolved. But if you need to run the Activision's troubleshooters, so ang gagawin natin ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang siya, and then dito sa search for apps, type mo lang yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open, and then next step ay dito lang sa system, and then dito sa right side, scroll down at ilocate natin yung Activisions. Okay, ito siya, so click mo lang yan, and then makikita mo na mga kaibigan dito na Activision state active, okay, and then Windows activated with digital license link to your Microsoft account. Ito siya mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix the Windows activations error code 0xC004F012 in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.